ChatGPT can write emails, explain complex topics, generate code, and even sound human. But how does it actually work? Is ChatGPT thinking? Is it searching the internet? Or is it just guessing words? In this video, we'll break down how ChatGPT actually works, simply without technical jargon, so you clearly understand what's happening behind the scenes every time you type a prompt. Let's start with what ChatGPT is not. ChatGPT does not think like a human. It does not understand meaning the way we do. And it does not have consciousness or awareness. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is something called a large language model. Its main job is surprisingly simple. It predicts the next most likely word in a sentence. That's it. Everything ChatGPT does, essays, conversations, explanations, comes from this one ability. For example, if I say, artificial intelligence is changing the way you can probably guess the next word might be work, learn, or live. ChatGPT does the same thing, but with extreme precision. It looks at your input, analyzes the context, and calculates which word is statistically most likely to come next. Then it repeats this process thousands of times to form a complete response. ChatGPT isn't recalling answers, it's calculating probabilities. Now the question is, how does it know which words are likely? ChatGPT is trained on massive amounts of text from books, articles, websites, and public information. During training, it learns patterns in language. It learns how sentences are structured, how explanations usually flow, which words commonly appear together. Importantly, ChatGPT does not store documents or remember specific sources. It learns patterns, not facts like a database. When you type a message, ChatGPT doesn't see words like humans do. It breaks text into pieces called tokens. A token can be a full word, part of a word, or even punctuation. Each token is converted into a number. Those numbers are what the AI actually processes. So behind the scenes, ChatGPT is working with math, not language. At the core of ChatGPT is a neural network architecture called a transformer. This neural network has millions or even billions of parameters. Each parameter helps the model decide how strongly words are related to one another. The key breakthrough that makes ChatGPT powerful is something called attention. Attention allows the model to focus on important words in your sentence and understand context across longer conversations. That's why ChatGPT can follow-up questions, stay on topic, generate long, coherent responses. Now here's something important to understand. ChatGPT sounds intelligent because it has learned how humans write and explain, but it does not actually understand what it is saying. This is why ChatGPT can sometimes give confident but incorrect answers. This is called hallucination. It's not lying. It's simply predicting words that sound correct, even if they're wrong. This is also why your prompts matter so much. A single word edit ripples through the response. Small changes in how you ask a question can lead to very different answers. User selects constraints. Output style shifts accordingly. You are guiding how ChatGPT predicts the next words. That's the reason prompt engineering works. Despite its power, ChatGPT has clear limitations. It doesn't truly understand meaning. It has no real-world awareness, and it can make mistakes confidently. So, ChatGPT works by breaking text into tokens, using probabilities to predict the next word, learning patterns from massive training data, using attention to maintain context. There is no consciousness, no thinking, just extremely advanced pattern prediction. And that's how ChatGPT actually works. If this video helped you understand AI more clearly, subscribe to Future Tech Decoded for more simple explanations of complex technology.